3HC stimulation complex is a blend, is a mix of grape stem cell, rocket salad and green walnut, aimed to target the human follicle dermal papilla cell, which are some stem cell of the core of the bulb of the hair, which is the real engine of the hair. We wanted to protect them, to nourish them in order to avoid hair loss and prolong the lifespan of hair. What we've been doing was checking the three products one by one to see whether they were able to increase the turnover of these cells. And they were doing that. All of them, they were able to stimulate the turnover, but in different ways. Some of them, they were working better at short term, some other were working better at longer term. So we've tried to mix them, and the very interesting thing was that we have seen a very efficient synergistic effect in terms of stimulating these cells that are the engine of the hair. Of course, proof is in the pudding, so we went for an in vivo assessment, a real scalp treatment that was targeting people suffering of hair loss, doing two different type of assessment. The first one was the pool test. So the volunteer had their hair pooled and they were counting how many hair they were losing. And the results after just 3 weeks of treatment with our 3HC stimulation complex were amazing. A reduction of 20% of the hair that were lost, and the figure in 8 weeks was further rising at the minus 40%. These data were confirmed by the other assessment, the phototrichogram, which is able to assess how many hair are in which stage of their life, and the telogen count, so the number of hair that were about to fall, again in 3 weeks were drastically reduced, confirming the fact that the product is really able to strengthen the hair, reinforce the hair, and prolong the lifespan of the hair. Last but not the least, waiting for a little bit longer, we were also seeing some very interesting results in the anagen count. There were 10% of hair more that were growing. So if you are looking for a completely natural and at the same time a very quick product that is fighting hair loss, 3HC hair stimulation complex is a very interesting option for you.